Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Ahmad Farzan Pibzat, and I'm a computer science student at Rutgers University in New Brunswick. And today I'm excited to share my very first tutorial video with you all. And in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a virtual blog website using WordPress. As you can see, this is my virtual blog website I made through WordPress, and this is my full name. These are some of the tags that can describe me. Also, I've linked my social media on LinkedIn, and this is my very first post. So the reason I created my blog, I decided to create a blog website, and I want to encourage you guys to create a blog website is because blogging has numerous benefits for everyone, especially for college students like me. It helps them academically and personally. It can help them improve their writing skills and create a professional portfolio. And also it can help them increase their networking opportunity. So let's go and create your very first blog website using WordPress. So we will want to search WordPress, and there are different options. Let's go ahead. WordPress. Okay, let's get started. So first you want to create an account because your website will be associated with your account. Let's go ahead. Okay, so for your domain name, because it's a blog website, I suggest you add your first and last name, Sam Jones. And then starting off, I would recommend you go with the free option. Let's go. Okay, we'll just go ahead with the free option. And these are some of questions that WordPress is going to ask us. We're going to select write and publish, promote myself, continue, and site title. So blog name we can add college experiences. And also tagline is a group of words that can summarize what our website is about in just a few words. We can say college, courses, clubs, community, and you can add any other tags you want. So let's go ahead. Alright, just as simple as that, we have our first website, and let's just come to dashboard. And WordPress is just doing all the website building for us. So for the good thing with WordPress is you don't have to worry about having any website building skills because it simplifies the technical side. So we just have to focus on our content. Okay, so this is our website, as you can see, and we can click visit site. Yep, this is our first website, and the theme is really basic, so we can go back to our dashboard, and we have many different options to configure our website. So first of all, let's go to appearance, and let's choose a good theme for our blog website. As you can see, it offers different themes for different purposes. Let's choose blog. Okay, so for example, we can choose any of these options. So let's go ahead with this one. Activate this design. Okay, and just as simple as that, we have activated. Let's view our website now. Yeah, there we go. We have our website, college experiences, title of our website, and we can configure our website. Let's go back to our website dashboard, and we can do more configurations by going to appearance and customize. And as you can see, we can do different, we can go through different settings like site identity, homepage settings, to include our latest posts. So we'll talk about that in later videos. For now, let's go back and publish our very first post. So we can see our pages here, and we want to click on post. Let's go add new post. Okay, we're just waiting for it. Okay, so we can say, so first of all we can add a header for our post. How did I get admission to Rutgers? And here we can add our experience, our personal experience post. Rutgers by buying through. Okay, so the good thing with WordPress is it offers us different options to customize our post. For example, we can choose the visibility, and we can also scroll down and choose tags, as I said. So tags will help the search engine optimization, and our website can be easily found by search engines. So we can add Rutgers admission. It's also a summary of our blog post, admission and college, and another tag post. And for featured images, the image that's gonna be featured with our blog post. So we can use, for example, Google Photos, or we can use different options, pixels, free photos, and media library. Okay, so you can just browse free images. There's college. Let's go ahead and let's insert this as our featured image. Okay, and we can also edit the font. And we can also choose the size, large, medium, small, and also use the font family and appearance and many other different options. So let's go ahead, publish our first post. And there you go, we have our first post published. Okay, there it is, the featured image, and published by Sam Jones on February 8, 2024. And there's our content. Okay, thank you everyone for following me through, and I hope you follow me through my next videos so we can work on improving our blog website. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good time.